Isa ka bang estudyante, mananaliksik o inventor na naghahanap ng testing and validation center para sa inyong mga makabagong teknolohiya at inobasyon? Yan ang tututukan ng Philippine Technology Evaluation and Standards for Testing o PhitTest ng Department of Science and Technology o DOST katuwang ang Commission on Higher Education. Layunin ng PhitTest na matulungan ang mga Pilipinong inventor na masuri, ma-certify at mailabas sa merkado ang kanilang mga teknolohiya at inobasyon sa pamamagitan ng isang institutionalized system for technology validation.
It builds the system that allow Filipino technologies to enter markets, create jobs, and strengthen industries. Essentially, it builds a unified national system for testing, evaluation, and make sure that standards development are created to make sure that Filipino technologies are not only innovative, but also reliable, safe, and globally competitive.
Itatayo naman sa mga piling state universities, colleges at pribadong higher education institutions ang mga testing and validation centers.
The testing facilities for PhitTest are in select universities and colleges. I say select because we have to consider the capability of those universities in terms of faculty, scientists, and researchers that they may have, as well as in terms of the laboratories and infrastructure that are capable of actually subjecting those products for assessment and testing. So we have already a short list of universities, but we still have to discuss this very closely with the Commission on Higher Education and with the universities themselves, because who knows, so they might not just be ready for it, or they might want to have more time for it.
Nakaangkla sa international standards ang mga testing and validation centers na itatayo ng PhitTest. Maglalaman ito ng advanced laboratories, prototyping facilities at testing equipment na pwedeng mapakinabangan ng mga estudyante, mananaliksik at inventor bago mailabas sa merkado ang kanilang mga produkto o imbensyon. Target ng PhitTest na makapagpatayo ng isang pilot center sa susunod na taon. Nitong Marso, formal nang inilunsad ang Philippine Technology Evaluation and Standards for Testing o PhitTest sa bisa ng Memorandum of Agreement sa pagitan ng DOST at CHED. Christian Caragayan para sa DOST Report.